CIFR was trending yesterday, the 29th of September 2025. This is Tuesday the 30th. It is currently unchanged in this pre-market session. And in the regular session of yesterday, it gained 10.29%. So let's see now. We have a couple of things here. It says, Rosenblatt raised CIFR price target to $14, HC Wainwright to $17, Kanako Genuity to 16, all maintaining buy ratings. And as of yesterday as well, it was trending because investors were discussing the implications of their recent AI hosting deal with Fluidstack, backed by Google, and a large convertible note offering. And the committee members, chattering about all of this, were weighing the potential for significant growth in the AI data center space against concerns about dilution, while highlighting the company's measures to protect their shareholders. The discussion also included speculation about future deals and the potential for the stock to benefit from rising Bitcoin prices, amongst other things. So what we can see here is that, underlying trend is a bullish one. Yeah, all the moving averages are sloping bullishly upwards. Got a rejection at, let's see now, we have here on trading view as of Wednesday the 24th, got a rejection at $14.14. Let's see. Yeah, here the intraday high is actually, it happened on the next day, the following day, $18.05. So that also turns out to be an upper projection as well. Still very much fresh, still very much fresh. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to consolidate the strength that it has. If you like, the pivot that has happened, the strength that is associated with that pivot is expected to remain in place at least up till Tuesday, the 7th of October. Then after that, we may have a contraction. No guarantee that that will be the case. A lot can happen between now and then. Okay, in terms of price projections, we have 10.71. It's a downward projection, but I just pointed out this 18.05. And indeed, this rejection here as well, it has also, even though it's not a Fibonacci projection, but it is a rejection. It failed to go through that obstacle. So it has become a task. It has become an objective. It's something that has to be, yes, it's not come down on the list, even though the algos we have here have not included that, but it is. You can clearly see that. I don't think we really have previous highs, especially all the way towards this year. It hasn't. I don't think it has printed. This is its 50. This is its year high. Surely, it's print. It's right in its year high levels. Previous highs, we'll find out if it's. This is its. We may be able to find out if this is its all-time high. So in terms of price pressure momentums, these measure the angle of attack of the moving averages. So for the 10 and 21 period moving average you have right now, they're all, the angle of attack is a steep one. So buying pressure is very high. All the derivatives are also robustly bullish, indicating that in the midst of the trend mode, people are also buying as well. Yeah, you can see the stock dipped, so I think that also adds to that. Yeah, so we can quickly have a look at its all the other moving averages, and we might be able to get a complete picture as well. So we're going to have a look at the ppm3 measures the angle of attack of the 40 period moving average. ppm 200 measures the angle of attack of the 200-day moving average, which underscores the underlying trend. So we can equally see that all of them are in strong trend modes, and nothing here is negative at all. But we have negative second derivatives. So we have fractional derivatives on the 200-day moving average, indicating that of late, some of those moving averages, the positions opened 200 days ago, are either improving or have, I think they're improving. They seem to be improving, or from time to time, there's been threats to them, especially when we had this rejection, this decline from Wednesday, yeah, from I think Thursday the 25th, yeah. So some of those positions were somewhat threatened, yeah. Okay, so all in all, they are all looking good and robustly bullish and trending. Yeah, let's have a look at the market grid. Market grid gives us a trading range that the stock is expected to trade within. Okay, here we have, let's see what we have. The current price is 12.58. 12.58, it lies over here. So it is in the resistance zone. And the thing about this is because you can clearly see here it has an upward trajectory. Yeah, so one can say, or it might be, it will be out of place to say that there's a good chance, it may test 12.79, and indeed even 13.20, because it has the momentum, it's looking upwards. It won't be out of place to say that this is what it's pursuing to do. It's in the pursuit of all of that. So yeah, fingers crossed he could do that. However, we also have to point out that once it is in the resistance zones, yeah, it's one should, especially if you are a swing trader, you should be considering exiting your position. So but of course, not everybody is into trading and swing trading. A lot of people are into investing. So if you're investing, this may not, if you want to add more to your position, this may not be the best time. If it pulls back, I think the best time would have been when it was all the way down here. Yeah, all the way down here, you see. Yeah, that would have been a better position. And at such levels, the price pressure momentums were giving more. Their readings were a lot more lower than what they are. So but so yeah, at such levels, you can see that maybe it was at that the price then was 12 points, 11.6, 11.57. So at that point, it was in between the resistance and the supports. Yeah, so you could actually make a case that it was a better time to buy the stock. So as things stand right now, you need to be aware that attempting to it may be attempting to print higher prices, even though the algos are saying that it's going to consolidate and decline. But these are some of the things that it's not only one thing exactly. There are a lot of things that are always played out. Sometimes all the parameters, all the indicators are aligned. There's a convergence, but sometimes there isn't. So as things stand right now, yeah, it won't be out of place to say that he may be attempting to continue to print higher prices, break out through through the market grid, and once it does that, yeah, then expect a pullback to occur. So as things stand right now, some people are also considering to cut back on their positions or close their positions to wait for an opportunity for them to get back in again. But by others and standards, some might say that no, we what of this level, what of this 14.13 printed, what of this 18.05 we printed, you know. Yeah, so depends on how you want to look at it. So okay, we should also consider what we have on the 4 hour chart. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, we have let's see what we have. Extrapolation is saying that the strength it has may remain in place up till Wednesday, the first of October. yeah, Wednesday the 1st of October. Then after that, we may see a contraction that may remain in place up till Friday the 3rd of October, closing of that session. So let's apply the market grid here and see what it's going to show us. Oh, sorry, that's a market flow. So the market grid here is saying, let's see now. Here, I think it has a different trajectory. It's pointing downwards, and the price is currently 12.5, down 1.19% now. 12.5. Yeah, so it is in the support zones. So yeah, here we can see because this is active and the daily chart is not active. One can say, yeah, maybe there's a good chance it may go on to test lower prices in this case. So the lower it goes, the opportunity to buy, and some may be considering adding to their positions. So yeah, so if you marry this, if you try to see how you balance this with what is on the daily chart, you can see that yeah, maybe even though on that daily chart it is the trajectory is to the upside, but the reality right now is that the trajectory is slightly to the downside. So yeah, yeah, one could say even though it may be declining based on what we're looking at right now on this daily chart, and maybe a case of watch and see, or a case of buy the dip. If it dips further, you average down, you know. But at the same time as well, yeah, you could make that case. You could make that case and say, yeah, it is looking up on the daily chart, and so looking down on the daily chart, maybe that's a reason to buy. So, but it's up to you. Have a look and see what you make of this. So projections here say 19.23, 22.37, 24.31. So thank you very much for watching this video.